Hey guys, this is Alex here in the TST garage, again with the 2025 Yamaha MT-03. And today I'm going to show you how to install these Womet-Tech fork sliders onto your bike. This is a simple installation, and this product is very useful in minimizing the damage that may occur during a crash to your front end components, such as the forks, wheels, calipers, etc. And with that said, let's begin. As you can see, this comes pre-assembled as such. And if you look carefully at each cap, you will notice one of them has a deeper well than the other one. So what you'll want to do is take the screw from the deeper one out. That way we can remove the cap. And we will insert the rod from the brake side of the front wheel. So the next step is to put the cap on over the axle nut, get a few threads engaged on the screw, and then you take your 3mm Allen or T-handle and screw it in all the way, hand tight, and then after that you want to give it maybe like a half a turn just to get it snug, and that is it. As you can see, we've now completed the installation of these fork sliders on the 2025 Yamaha MT-03. I also want to point out that this product does come with a couple of stickers. They are accent stickers for the caps. They go here on the surface. You have a choice between red and silver. Choice is yours if you want to put them on or not. It's up to you. If you're interested in this product, feel free to go to our website at tstindustries.com and browse through all the other products that we have available for this bike. Thank you for watching. See you next time.